Alright, today we're going to solve the camera angles. By default, the user can look between the legs, which I felt something weird. So how to actually put a limit to the angles that the camera can be controlled? So let's create something called the camera manager. So go to a blueprint, right click and select camera manager, this one, select it and name that something like maybe pp underscore my camera manager. There you go, and double click. Don't need this viewport, so close it and take it again. So yeah, instead of that, you can just find the view pitch max, and this was set to be around 90 degree by default. So I need to change that to maybe a 20 degree angle. Compile it and save it. I was actually restricting the user at this limit. Okay, and if I need to apply this camera manager, I need both of the game mode and the play control. So by default, you may not have these two. Should be something like this one. So make sure that you created the game mode and the play control. Okay, I didn't make any change instead of this yet. And if it's your level, just go here in the world setting. If you don't find this world setting option, you can just go here, Windows, there goes the world setting. Okay, so yeah, you need to change this game mode. You need to override the game mode with the newly created one, and make sure that this play controller is also set inside of this. Okay, save that, and once you got that, go to your play controller, and very first option should be the player camera manager. Select that as the pp player controller, pp camera manager. Compile it, save it. Now you're all set it up. Hit the play button. There you can see now the camera is holding at 20 degrees. You can change this anyways. If you don't find that sweet spot, just make it 0 and see. Yeah, this is the limit. I cannot go beyond that. Okay, that's it for today. Goodbye.